Can somebody please tell me why every time I turn around, there's a Mopar of some sort running from the police in Georgia? Have y'all not learned y'all's lesson about GSP and all the other units they have to come get you? This Trackhawk just got lucky. Let's go. What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, bringing you another crazy police chase. Shout out to stateboyz. The original video will be in my description. They do a crazy job of getting these content and these videos out to you. I don't know how. I got a bunch of state trooper friends and they'll never let me get a hold of their video, but let's dive in. This Trackhawk escaped GSP. You know how rare that is? All right, as you can see, normal stroll through the Atlanta streets. And what looks like to be, I believe that's a Charger. Light him up, and he takes off. That's one of those things that the famous saying is pat, pat, go. And the way it took off, as you can see from the title, it is a Trackhawk. All-wheel drive, 707 horsepower beast.
Passing Piedmont Circle. It's a white Jeep.
Again, make sure you watch the original video from stateboyz. Leave them a comment. Let them know you came from my channel. They drop heat every day.
396. They're turning around. Hold on.
I don't know the area, at least yet. Looks familiar though.
921 northbound on Piedmont.
Running from the police, not on the highway, is crazy. And he just crossed over a median to go back where he just came from.
Back down, Bob.
He's got to get on the highway. Yeah, and that is what he's doing. He's getting off on this officer. He's a long way away already. Now I know where we are. I know this tunnel. I always wanted to get content in this tunnel. I feel like he's not on the gas like he should be. But I feel like now he's on the highway. He probably will be triple digits easy. I feel like this police officer doesn't know how to drive, or he must be new to the Atlanta streets because he's weaving through traffic instead of using the open lane to keep a hold of it.
Drivers in and out of traffic.
Atlanta City looks nice, right? What time was this where there's no traffic in Atlanta on the highways? That's the big question. there goes his help, and we switch cameras to his help. Let's hope he's a better driver.
Yeah, boy, so they're fucking like they call it.
Now he's really hauling tail.
Yeah, boy, MLK.
Again, I don't know why these perks get off. Switching cameras. Crossing the median. I don't know. They must know something I don't. I don't condone running from the police either.
Video, I'll get some name for that vehicle. You clear?
Yeah.
Sit down.
And I got it.
Clear. Make it right, make it right.
Hey, boy, right on this one, right on this one. Car fully, where do you go, left or right?
You went left, you went left. Clear.
You know, wait, where you at? I see him up ahead. He goes, he's on whatever.
He might have lost him, you guys.
Alright, yeah, alright. He turned left at this light up there.
Going off the highway might have been a good decision for him. He knew something I didn't. This neighborhood is crazy. Yeah, they don't know where he is. Trackhawk got away. There's a lady at the court saying he went down that way. That's crazy.
Capital TV.
1808.
Lost track. Lights off, game over. Jeep Trackhawk beats GSP. How rare is that?
Vehicle
Crazy.
Made a left up here at this stop sign. Hold on.